State
Yeah,
peat.
I mean, it doesn't look good, but
It doesn't look good, but that's okay. May I take a
go
peek
for it.
inside?
Yeah. So
It's very earthy. So
yeah, it's very different.
Or
So here, I'll show
it's
you.
not.
So
No.
this is the peat bog we're working with.
Okay.
So this is looking very different already from the typical bogs in Scotland. Like if you go to Islay, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just moss,
Moss. Yeah.
almost everywhere. So the bog, the peat composition is going to be composed of moss-based materials. When that breaks down, it gives you a very specific type of peat.
Of course. Yeah.
So this, you can see here already right away that this whole area, all the way up to the fir trees, all the way in the back, is bog. So these shrubs here, these are different. There is moss, but there's shrubs and trees. There's like wild crab apples,
Okay.
wild cranberries.
Right.
So here is just the bogs are also not drained. So typically in Scotland they would cut a ditch in the
Yeah.
bog and let it drain out.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
the problem with that is that
That would
damages-
decompose in a different way, right?
well, it actually, the big problem is it damages the ecosystem surrounding the bog.
Okay.
So this way, everything is still, all the wildlife that's still there can still call this place home.
Right.
If it's just harvested, well, you keep the water in there.
Right. So would that be like almost wet harvesting as
Yeah,
opposed
kind
to
So you still cut, you can see, I mean, this is cut so finely, they'll go in and scoop it out. But in Scotland, they would, of course, drain it, and then they would use that shovel
yeah,
thing.
they have like what those Tusker,
whatever
all
those are
these
called,
different
So,
things.
so yeah, it's a different form of harvesting, but it also helps us keep the ecology of the peat bog intact.
Right.
But this is a great picture. So this is a plant called Labrador tea.
Yeah.
So this covers a great amount of this bog, and this
Okay.
tea, this what they call Labrador tea, this plant, you can see, these leaves here, right? On the underside of these, or I guess when you break them, you can smell this aroma of like citrus and lavender almost.
Okay.
There's an herbaceous